What if I told you that the script you just wrote in Google Docs could become a fully edited video with stock footage, captions, music, and voiceover in about 10 minutes without you touching a single timeline? That's not a hack. That's just what Pictory does. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Hey, welcome back! If you're new here, I make videos about AI tools that help you create content faster, without needing a film degree or a $1,000 editing rig. Today we're covering Pictory from start to finish. This is the full beginner's guide for 2026. How to set it up, how the interface works, and the 5 things you need to know to go from a blank page to a finished video. Let's get into it. When you first log into Pictory, you'll see a few ways to start a project. The 2 you'll use most are script to video and article to video. Script to video is exactly what it sounds like. You paste in a script, and Pictory turns each section into a scene, pulling in matching stock footage automatically. This is perfect if you already write scripts, like for a YouTube channel or a course. Article to video is great if you've got a blog post sitting around. Paste in the URL, and Pictory will summarize it into video-ready scenes for you. Say you've got a 500-word blog post about morning routines. Drop that link in, and Pictory will pull out the key points and turn them into 5 or 6 scenes, automatically matched with relevant footage of sunrises, coffee, journaling, that kind of thing. For most beginners, I recommend starting with script to video because it gives you the most control over your message. Once your script is in, Pictory breaks it into scenes, basically 1 scene per paragraph or idea. This is the heart of the whole tool, so it's worth slowing down here. Each scene is its own mini project. You can swap out the background footage, change the text overlay, adjust timing, or replace the image entirely. Let's say scene 3 of your video covers the importance of sleep, but Pictory pulled a stock clip of someone jogging. Just click that scene, search sleep or bedroom in the media library, and swap it in. Takes about 5 seconds. This scene-by-scene structure is what makes Pictory different from a traditional editor. You're not dragging clips on a timeline, you're approving or adjusting blocks that are already built for you. Pictory pulls from a massive library of stock video and images, but you're not stuck with the auto-suggestions. You can search for anything: city skyline at night, person typing on laptop, mountain hiking, and it'll surface relevant clips. You can also upload your own footage or images if you want something more personal, which I'd actually recommend if you're building a brand people recognize. And speaking of branding, there's a brand kit feature where you upload your logo, pick your brand colors and fonts, and Pictory applies them automatically to every video going forward. If you're running a faceless channel with a consistent color scheme, say deep blue and white, set that once in your brand kit, and every new project automatically pulls those colors into your text overlays and lower thirds. You don't have to manually style every single video. This next part is where Pictory really saves you time. Captions are generated automatically from your script, and you can fully customize the style. Font, color, size, position, even animated highlight effects where each word lights up as it's spoken. For voiceover, you've got 2 options: record your own audio and upload it, or use Pictory's built-in text-to-speech voices. They've expanded their voice library a lot, but if you want the most natural-sounding narration, a lot of creators actually script in Pictory and then bring in a dedicated voice tool for the final narration before reassembling. You'll also find a royalty-free music library. Pick a track, and Pictory automatically ducks the volume under your voiceover so it never competes with your narration. If you're making a 5-minute tutorial, choose a subtle ambient or lo-fi track. Loud, beat-heavy music will fight with your voice and make the video harder to follow. Before we wrap up the core walkthrough, 2 more things every beginner should know. First, templates. Pictory has pre-built templates for common formats: YouTube videos, shorts, social media ads, highlight reels. If you're not sure where to start, picking a template gives you a structure to fill in rather than starting from a blank canvas. Second, exporting. Once your video looks right, you'll head to Export, choose your resolution, and Pictory renders the final file. Higher resolutions and longer videos take more time and use more of your monthly export minutes, so it's worth previewing the whole thing first to catch any mismatched scenes before you burn through your render credits. If you're testing a new video format, Export a short 30-second clip first to check pacing and captions instead of rendering the full 10-minute video and discovering an issue at minute 8. Let's do a quick recap. We covered starting with script to video or article to video, understanding how scenes work, customizing your visuals and brand kit, adding captions, voiceover, and music, and finally using templates and exporting smart. And that's genuinely everything you need to make your first Pictory video today. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'm covering a new AI tool or workflow every week, and this is just the beginning of what Pictory can do. And drop a comment below. What kind of video are you planning to make first? I read every single one, and it might just become my next tutorial. See you in the next video.